Hey guys, check out my video for you guys. In today's video, I want to tell you what you can do to potentially save or repair your water damaged iPhone if it's not too late without actually opening it up or doing anything else. Now, these are the tips that you want to follow if you recently had your iPhone water damage or suspect it's been water damage. So follow along. The first thing is, of course, take it out of the water immediately as you can, because starting with the iPhone 7 or later, they are water resistant phone, but up to a certain depth level and time period. So the quicker you can get out of the water for your iPhone, the more likely that it could be saved. So take it out. Now, after you have taken it out, quickly dry it with a microfiber cloth or anything to just simply dry the external outside as much as you can, just cleaning it up so that the liquid doesn't get in. Usually the charge port is where you're really looking to make sure the water didn't get in. If you had any damage or crack on it, also those are points where the water can get in, so take that out. Also, if you have a cotton swab or a Q-tip, try to use it in the charge port to dry it out as much as you can. Along with that, if you have a fan maybe nearby, maybe let the fan run by it where it can dry it up quicker. Now, there's other things you can do. If you have a hair dryer, you can put it on a low setting to try to just simply go around it to dry it out, go around it so that maybe inside can dry out as well. Now, you don't want too much of a high heat because it could damage it, so try it on a very low heat for a couple minutes to really dry it out inside and out. Also, if you do have these by any chance these silica gel packets, which look something like this, if you can pretty much put your phone near it, of course that might also dry it out quicker. But the key thing here is to letting your phone dry. Now, one thing I will recommend is that do not charge your iPhone for at least 48 hours. You don't want to charge your phone, and because what will happen is if it gets electricity, it could short circuit internal parts like the motherboard and some of the stuff inside. So don't charge it. Even if the phone is completely dead, let it dry out before you do anything. If you do have a case, or you can also remove it after you dried it out externally. If your phone does have a SIM card tray, use a paper clip or SIM ejector to take out the SIM card as well. After you have somewhat dried it, you don't want external or water or liquid getting into that SIM tray as well. So that's another thing you can do. Now, if for some reason your phone is still on, it's glitching, I recommend just turning it off by holding the volume up and the side button at the same time, just like that, and then you can slide to power off. You can also get Siri to turn off your phone by saying turn off phone Siri, and it will also turn it off for you. You can also go into your setting of your iPhone. If the buttons don't work, go to general and then shut down this way as well. So basically you want to keep it shut down, let it dry out up to 48 hours. The longer you wait, the better, so that for sure the inside and the outside are completely dried up as much as you can. Now, after you have dried it up and understand that it's been dried out, there are a couple ways to check if your iPhone really got water damage. There's some indicators on the charge port. If it turns yellow or red, will indicate that it's been water damaged. Now, if you have a SIM card tray, you can also look under there as well, which we explain in another video, which will leave a link for that in the description section if you want to check that out on how to check if your iPhone really did get water damage or not, because that will determine if Apple will cover it or not. Now, after the 48 hours and you're sure that it's been dried out, you can go ahead and try to charge it. Now, once you do try to charge it, if it doesn't charge, wait half an hour or so. Also, if you have a wireless charger, if the charge port has damaged, the wireless charger might work better in terms of charging your phone. Now, after you charge it for maybe half an hour or so, try to do a forced restart on your iPhone. So in order to do a forced restart, you're going to press and release the volume up, followed by press and release the volume down, and then hold the side button here until the screen goes completely black or until the Apple logo appears. So I'll do volume up, volume down, and then I'll hold the side button here just like that. And if your phone is dead, it's also fine. You can follow the same exact thing by pressing the volume up and down, and then wait till the Apple logo appears, and hopefully the Apple logo appears and the phone turns on normally, and your phone should be good to go for that. Now, this is the best case scenario in terms of it dried out and you're following these steps. In a case where it doesn't turn on, it's completely dead, there are other options here. First option is if you do happen to have purchased or have your phone covered under Apple Care Plus, not the basic warranty, but the plus option, which covers accidental and water damage, you might be able to get Apple to either repair it or replace your device for free. So that's one option. Now the other option is if you don't have that and the water damage repair when it comes to taking off really isn't really worth it. Even at the Apple store, they cost way too much. You can get a replacement device. Of course, you have to buy one. And then neat thing about iPhone is if you're using the iCloud backup, your data most likely is safe, so you can back it from the iCloud. You sign into a new account and you can get your photos, videos, and such back. So that's kind of the alternative that you have. So that's it for this video. I hope at least something helped in terms of repairing your water damaged iPhone without needing to open up. Also, if there is another thing that you discovered or found that helped you repair or fix your water damaged iPhone, leave a comment in the comment section to help others as well. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.